Alright guys, it's raining again. Out with the family. Time to go grab a bite first. So, yeah, we see how it goes. So I think we will order one seaweed salmon wrap. Next will be the coffee teriyaki chicken chop as well. One platy platter and one pepperoni chicken pizza. As for the drinks, ice blended mocha, and I will take one ice blended matcha.
Mocha blended matcha. Ice blended 后面有 cream 哦。
Okay, so here comes our drink. This is the ice blended mocha. This is my matcha. You guys know I like matcha. Okay. Not that many people today because outside it's raining, but still sizable crowd. Okay, wow. The little boy's pizza is here already. Yeah. So the pizza is here, and then the pizza. And this is the seaweed salmon, right? Okay.
This is unique.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Huh? Yummy?
Yeah.
Anyway, this is my chance to review this. Pizza really good. For that. Okay. Okay. This is my coffee teriyaki chicken. Alright. Is it nice? How does it taste?
Tastes like pizza.
Alright. This must be the sauce. I think barbecue sauce, is it?
Yeah, barbecue.
Barbecue sauce, okay, try. First bite. What do they have inside? What can you taste?
Crispy salmon, seaweed, egg, salad.
But overall, okay?
Nice.
Healthy meal? Okay, what is this? This is the coffee teriyaki chicken, right? They call it coffee teriyaki chicken. I just tried it. My best guess, teriyaki chicken with the sauce. Yeah, teriyaki chicken with the sauce. Not bad, no? A bit sweet, a bit bitter. Teriyaki sauce.
Coffee.
Teriyaki sauce is nice. I think they call it coffee teriyaki chicken because I think they mix with a bit of coffee powder. Pretty good actually. Got a salad, got fries. Not bad. Come on, let you try one of this. You take one, I'll let you try one. Hold. Wait. Okay, try.
Is this a sauce?
Yeah, the sauce, this is the teriyaki sauce.
This is tomato.
Ah,
Yeah.
not bad, right? A bit like sweet, a bitter, a bit, right? Huh? I think the bitterness comes from the coffee, I think that makes. Yeah, interesting combination. My chance, my turn to try the burrito. One half. I think the other half, is it? Nice. No, you're right. Got salmon, got egg, got seaweed, wrapped with lettuce,
Crispy.
salad, and some crispies a bit. Yeah, quite nice. Okay, this is the what is it? What is it called? No, the platter thing, right? Okay, party platter. Okay. Let's go, guys. How much? How much? The sun kai. Jointa, you give her, give the tete the money first. Oh, you treat us today, ah? Thank you, ah. You treat us makan today. Wah. Wait lah, careful ah. Oh look, stop raining. So we can make a move now. Who would have thought in an area which there are lots of factories, there was have a cafe? Just look around us. Factories. Oh. Well, it's good to spend some quality time with the family, and off we go to get some groceries at the mall. But I think I will take my leave now. Do remember to check out the rest of my playlist. Remember to share, like and subscribe to this channel for more content. Stay safe and take care. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!